OSHA Education School brings out the most popular OSHA 10-hour construction online training. Our courses are OSHA authorized and are fully recognized by the law. OSHA 10-hour construction training is designed for entry-level workers in construction, demolition, building development, and other fields in the construction industry. This OSHA 10-hour construction course covers a wide range of important workplace health and safety topics that will familiarize you with OSHA construction standards. The OSHA Construction Focus 4, identifying common worksite hazards, and tool operation are among the topics covered. You can immediately download and print your certificate of completion after passing your OSHA 10-hour training. At the same time, you wait to receive your official OSHA 10 DOL card in the mail. With our enhanced LMS, you can track course progress and enrollments, monitor overall performance, and it has 24/7 course access from any web-enabled device. Hundreds of learners have trusted us to provide their regulatory-approved training. At OSHA Education School, you can benefit from our training at your own pace, save progress as you go, extraordinary customer support, and the price you can't resist. Yes, we guarantee the lowest price. Earn your OSHA 10-hour DOL card quickly and easily with OSHA Education School now.